Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon, America. What's the time now? It's 4 o'clock, 4:09 afternoon. Good morning in Philippines. Asia, around Asia, especially Philippines. Good morning dyan sa inyo around Asia. And good afternoon here in America. I just picking my harvest, my fresh flower daisy and the garden. O, diba? Meron tayong vegetable. Pag summer, meron tayong flowers. Ganon kaganda. Iba-ibang kulay, guys. Ito parang nasira, natanggal lang. Meron kasi mga ano din, bugs or mga animals dyan. Kaya yan o. Preskong presko pero natanggal yung flowers niya. Different colors, guys. Yeah, guys. This one is beautiful, red. This one, guys, yellow. Ang puti, hindi maganda, guys. Hindi ako nagkuha kayo. Puti, daling maano. Sira yan. Ang orange. Ito yung orange. Yan, guys. So beautiful, my flowers. Ganon. Diba? Beautiful, guys. Kaya dyan, magtanim din kayo dyan. Para mawala-wala yung stress nyo, problema nyo. Pag mayroon kayong garden. So, you just spend your time to the garden. You have flowers and vegetable, you know. So, yung wala pang mga garden, start na kayo magtanim. Planting your flowers and vegetable. You mix some gardens. Yung tingnan mo, di ba? Ganon. Oh, saan pa kayo? My beautiful flowers praise from the garden. And thank you sa mga nanood dyan na hindi pa nanood. Panoorin ninyo ang ating simple video dyan para meron kayong makuha na magawa kayo ng garden para meron kayong fresh vegetable and flowers. O, diba, guys? So, yan, guys. Ka-harvest ko lang yan. Kapapalit ko lang yan. Tinapon ko na yung 2 weeks na harvest ko ng flower. Yeah, diba? Palitan na naman kasi meron pang maraming flowers. Ganon. So, yan. My beautiful flowers. Tingnan nyo. Diba, iba-ibang kulay. Ang ganda tingnan. Parang ma-fresh din yung utak nyo dyan. Kung makita nyo yung garden nyo from flowers no, from the garden. So, yung utak nyo ma-fresh. Yung vegetable, fresh yung kinakain nyo. Very sad lang pag winter kasi wala akong tanim. Hindi ako nagpo-frozen ng mga vegetable. So, yan lang, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Yan na my beautiful flowers from the garden. And fresh vegetable. Kinakain ko. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.